what about Senator Robin Padilla? Bakit hindi po siya kasama dun sa subpoena or hinihingan po na explanation? Kasi may mga interviews na po na inamin niya na yung vehicle po ay ginamit at binabalang daw niya sa Makati si Senator De La Rosa. Hindi naman daw siya tumulong allegedly sa pag-escape.
Exactly. Kayo na rin po ang nagsabi kung bakit hindi na namin siya tinatanong. Ang dami niya na hong inamin na ginawa niya.
Meaning, sir, he will be liable for...
Meaning, our panel of prosecutors will study everything. Will study everything that based on these admissions, based on this factual milieu or factual circumstances, can we lead to a conclusion that he or a person is probably guilty of a particular crime. Hindi naman po lagi kailangan tatanungin pa. Dahil may mga bagay factual na eh.
Sir, in the interest of, baka kasi sabihin po ni Senator Padilla na hindi po siya tinanong ng DOJ, would the DOJ be open if he reaches out to provide an explanation?
Well, the Department of Justice would always be open, not only to victims or Filipinos seeking redress of their grievances. We are also open to anyone who will bring in or put forward facts and information that will help us fulfill our mandate. Tandaan niyo, ang mandato ng Department of Justice, ipakulong yung dapat ipakulong at i-exonerate yung wala namang kasalanan. Pero ang basehan lang natin lahat, datos at facts. Diba?
Sir, good morning. Regarding Senator Padilla po, Jairo, how would he respond to the investigation if ever? Will he be allowed to submit a counter affidavit or?
Oh, okay. This is the initial part, no? This is basically pag tinatawag po natin, konti lang pong kaalaman. May case build up na nangyayari. Pag buo na to, 'di ba? Either initiated from the case build up ng DOJ or initiated by our law enforcement agencies. Halimbawa, may dumating na complaint. Ready na halimbawa ang PNP or ang NBI na magsampa ng ganoong kaso, dumarating yun dito sa DOJ, tinitimbang muna namin yung case build-up na tinatawag o kaya pwedeng simula mo na kagad yung PI process, yung preliminary investigation on the matter. At pag pumasok na yung proseso ng preliminary investigation, may mga karapatan na, di ba? Ito yung padadalhan na sila ng abiso, bibigyan na sila ng pagkakataong mag-counter affidavit. Pero ina-explain ko lang on a hypothetical note, no? Kasi that's something to happen pa, no? If ever that reaches to that point, no?
Still on Senator De La Rosa po, last week nabanggit po yung application for Interpol Red Notice because based on the rules, there's already a warrant from the ICC. Therefore, we can already request, or the ICC can already request for the issuance of a red notice. So ano pong update doon? Meron po ba tayong application? Ongoing po ba yun? Or ano pong details that you can provide to us?
Actually, that goes in the operational matter for the ICC to pursue. Diba? So I don't want to second guess kung ano yung ginagawa ng ICC. But for the Philippine jurisdiction, the ICC arrest warrant is valid, it's enforceable, and the Philippine authorities is currently pursuing its enforcement.
Sir, good morning, sir. Sir, si Senator Marcoleta has been the subject of a application for a PhDO by the Ombudsman. Pero in reply, he's claiming that it's just a larger plan daw to silence or otherwise intimidate the majority in the Senate. Can you comment on that, sir, yung organized part daw to persecute? By basically saying it's persecution, all these cases.
On that, I cannot speculate on the particular case filed. I haven't read any document pertaining to that particular case. On second point, I completely trust the Ombudsman Boying Rimula, our former Secretary of Justice, in his objective of cleaning the government basically and helping our society rebuild itself from all this what's happening now and make the Philippines a better society for everyone.
Sir,
I completely trust the Ombudsman Boying Rimulya.
Sir, one follow-up. On former Representative Defensor was here yesterday, and he said the same thing, that charges are being filed against him as part of efforts to persecute those critics of the administration. Can you comment lang, sir, on that?
Again, I don't like to comment further, no? Kasi these matters might later go up to me, to my level, no? But again, I would like to reiterate, the mandate of the Department of Justice is to jail or to put to jail people who should be made accountable and to exonerate those people or not. And the only basis and the only premise is fact. Diba? Kung ano yung katotohanan, mga kababayan ko. Yun lang po ang mandato. At doon po umiikot ang mandato ng Department of Justice.
Grant and then Steve.
Okay. Hi sir, magandang umaga po. Grant po from Bombo Radio. Sir, as of now, do we consider na magbigay o maglaan ng reward money sa makapagtuturo sa lokasyon ni Senator Bato de la Rosa?
Wala pong ganong konsiderasyon na tinitingnan. Kasi naniniwala po kami, meron pong mga pumapasok na iba't ibang impormasyon sa ating law enforcement agent na tumutulong po para pumano. Ang sa akin po ay panawagan na rin po kay Senator Bato. Diba? Siya po'y incumbent senator. Siya po'y dating chief PNP. Diba? Siya po tuwing Monday po, pag may flag ceremony, alam niyo po yan sa iba't ibang government agencies, nanunumpa po kami. Diba? Siya po'y dumulog sa Korte Suprema. Dinidinig yung kanyang inihaing reklamo. Magtulong-tulong po tayo na buhayin yung proseso ng rule of law. Diba? Sa ginagawa niya po na hindi pagsuko o hindi pagtupad dun sa warrant. Diba? Siyempre po yung mga kababayan natin, diba? Ano ba yan? Ano bang nangyayari? Diba? So sa akin po ay pakiusap bilang kapwa Pilipino kay Senator Bato de la Rosa, diba? Heed the call of the rule of law. Alam niya na pag may arrest warrant, dapat sineserve at dapat sumusunod.
Okay sir. Next sir, on Saturday, NBI Director Matibag has said that they have information na possible na maisyuhan din ng ICC arrest warrant ang ilan pang individuals. Sir, do we see also sa DOJ na mag-i-issue din ang ICC ng panibagong arrest warrant sa iba pang mga co-perpetrators ni former President Duterte?
I don't like to speculate on that. That's an ICC matter.